So now let's see how we can use the export option inside of Microsoft Whiteboard. So in order to work around with export option, I'm going to go around and then draw something out right here. As you can see, I'm just going to go around and then draw out something else right here. So if I were to go around onto sticky note, you can see that I can add in some sticky notes as well. And there you go. I'm just going to type into the tube right here. So these are just random things I have. So what I want to do with it is I want to export it in different formats so that others can access it out without using Microsoft Whiteboard as well. Let's say, for example, then I can go around onto the top right where you can see this little icon right here which says settings menu. So I'm going to click over here, and here you can see that export is an option. So once you click on export, what happens is that you have an option to save it as an image or a high quality image that is SVG. This is a vector format right here. If you want others to be able to access it without any problem, you might want to consider saving this as image PNG. So I'm just going to go around right here and save it as my PNG image right here. I'm just going to go around onto, let's say, for example, my desktop. So let me just go around here onto my desktop and then save this around as a test file, just like this. And I'm going to hit save right here by pressing enter on my keyboard. So once I go there, you can see that there's my PNG file, and once I double click it, you can see that this is the file I have. This is in image format, in PNG format, and you can share it out with other people in the way you want. But you cannot actually edit anything out right here as you would in Microsoft Whiteboard. Another option you have for exporting is SVG format. So I'm going to go around onto the same location and then go to export, and you can see high quality image that is you can save this as a vector image that is high quality, undestructible, unlimited scalable format as well. So I'm just going to go around and type in, let's say, for example, sample file, just like this. I'm going to hit save right here. And once I do that, you can see that now it is in SVG format. So let me just go around and open this up with Internet Explorer right here. So you can see that this is in SVG format. So if I were to actually go around and then zoom it in all the way in, you don't see any pixelation. And that is basically what a scalable vector format, that is SVG format, is for. And that is how you can use the export option inside of Microsoft Whiteboard to save the file out in different formats. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.